Okay, so Professor Kallimanis here. I wanted to answer a question. I got an email today, or actually on Thursday, but I just got to it. I'm sorry for the delay. Okay, so the question was about the next paper. Student was like, I don't remember this being assigned. So a few places to look. If we go into assignments, you'll see essay number 2. This is the breakdown of everything that we're supposed to do. The learning outcomes. Here's the main topic. Write a paper that discusses a problem in one area. Education, health, environment. So you pick one of those and you write the paper. And then there's all these other things, asking you to get the paper together. So as it says here, add one more source, an article you locate or an interview you conduct. And here, write an annotated bibliography, which we went over in class. And then it asks you to kind of take a position. This is posing the research question. So we did the stasis worksheet. That was an assignment. And I checked those off in my gradebook. And now we have this, right? Take a position, and it's 20% of your grade. And then it has a list of criteria that are going to be graded. So MLA, works cited, a title, an epigraph, your thoughts on the readings, organization, use of the right font, double spaced, no longer than 6 pages. So this is all really serious stuff, right? So 100 points total, and putting it all together, and here are the dates, right? So we did this already, the annotated bibliography, and here's the final. So the final is on the 17th. So the final is coming up, and the peer review draft is coming up as well, right? So if you go to our calendar of assignments, you kind of scroll down. Here's where we are, right? And I'm asking you to bring in the working bibliography, right? And so these are all the readings that were going to help you get to where you wanted to go. Okay, so here it is, right? On the 15th is the first draft with the annotated bibliography, and then on the 17th it's the final draft. So that's what I'm asking you to do. All right, I'm gonna go to the slides now. And again, here's some resources for you at the college, the Virtual Learning Commons. That's a really great resource. And then here's the assignment again. And here are the slides that we went over in class. Here it is opening up. Okay, so you see that now, right? Let me just... So this is what we talked about. Here's where we talked about tear it up, which, if you remember, title, epigraph, argument, rhetorical design, introduction, thesis, understanding, and proofs. We've gone over this a few times now. So this should be a research question. Students are asked to look at the guide on the side and the beam thing. Then we talked a little bit about the relevancy of the topic, that the purpose and the time is a factor. So you don't want to write about something that's too far into the future. You want to write about something that's too far into the past. Here's our discussion about the credo, about why it might be a moral question. And the takeaway is that there's a moral question. You're asking a moral question, right? So cleaning up the environment is a moral question. Changing the educational system is a moral question. So then we asked, try to avoid big, vague words about like impact and effects. And then we talked about where to look, right? So in the one search, in the academic search complete, that's the library. Then we came up with a list of preliminary sources. I was asking you to find a good source, to underline everything. That was a homework assignment that you were asked to do. And then we wrote some of these on the board. I don't know if we actually got to this. But thinking about making a list of research topics, keeping track of everything. Suffolk has a really good library. Use the library. That's what your tuition is paying for. And then I had asked you to write out, what's your topic? What's your topic? What's your topic? Okay, so I don't know if that's helpful to you. I hope it is. We are looking at this because for a while now we've been talking about this assignment. So this is it again, right? The first draft is due on the 15th and the final draft is due on the 17th. So tomorrow when we come to class, we're going to talk about it some more. Okay, I hope that's enough to get you oriented, and I will see you tomorrow.